But it did cost me one thing, though.
Yinle.
I really thought you were my friend.
Jeez, you know, sometimes this family, it feels like it's falling apart.
Well, Mum, maybe you should have thought about that before you murdered our father.
This is it. It's over.
Perhaps she's right. Maybe it's better to just get away from all this craziness. Come with us. We can go to the Scottish Downs. It's gorgeous. Get married in the mountains. We can have a life there, Lulu. I love you. I do not want to be anywhere without you. Just come with me. Please. Don't think about it. Just say yes. Come with me.
Hi, bo.
Ngisho.
Nee man. Kusengakhohlwa serious yazi.
In.
Women's Day baby. It's Sunday.
Oh hayi lapho sokusikhipha unyawo shayibo wayo kodwa phela mama umuntu akathi ucambalala uzabe mhle.
Wena awungizwisisi kahle ngathi angitholi yazi. Phela lena i-opportunity egrand nje ukuthi umuntu athi yabona uku-expanda i-brand yakhe. Yeah man. Yeah. Yazi kuyomele ukuthi ngithi ukudesigner ama-t-shirt amasha uyangithola mos bese kena ngiwahlaba ngani ngelogo ekhechi eyimbokodo. Ha.
Isithando sami yazi umuntu wami bakithi mamhle kude sonto siphumule ngathi kusaneyinsukwane khona.
Na baby phela kumele sithi ukuwa designer grand shop uyangithola. Yeah bese kena siya printer kahle siprinte senze into ebonakalayo into ephashasha. Ucabangani? Jiwe khona. Yo.
Hey, when did you leave?
Oh, how ago?
Oh. So you're not going?
Ndidinga uthetha noKam.
Why? Have you changed your mind?
You have, haven't you? Oh, I knew you couldn't say no to him. I knew it. So you're coming with us.
Kat, ndiyacela ne.
This is going to be fantastic.
I have so much to show you.
The shopping. Honey, you have not shopped until you try.
Takeho. Ndidinga uthetha noKam, okay?
Fine. This is going to be great. Oh, akalaro nje.
Ubusukhile ngale baby girl. Oh, ngiyabonga my sweetheart. Ukidle kahle yezo.
Yazi ngisesenomsebenzi engisafuna ukuwenza for ama-iri ambawulanyana mara ngizokulala egcineni.
Hayi makunjalo unalo coffee baby.
Ngiyathokoza.
Bosebi. Baby girl akusi forced ukuthi ushaye coffee ngebisi lenkomo, okay?
Okay.
Awusho ke yini usayopenda yini?
No, ngifuna ukwenza something. Manglo success angino meeting cabanga with some people be gallery ekulu.
Hayi wena baby girl. Ngaze ngathokoza man.
Kodwana, Mom Lucy, ama nerves wami. Like I don't know how to deal with abantu abanjalo. Esikhathini esiningi bekungumzimkhulu umuntu kade ahandle indaba zama-meeting. Kodwana bekuba lula ke ukuba ngu-it unknown. Akekho umuntu ongaziko, akekho nomuntu ekose ukuthi ngikhulume naye. Ayi angazi ukuthi ngikwenza njani nje.
Msukuzwarisha. Yabona if wena sebene ungasiza mina. Hayi nami ngakusiza.
Njani?
Angisho phela manje mina ngifuna ukushaya i-t-shirt yabona for Women's Day. Nginama slogan afew lana yabona mara ngifuna i-t-shirt ibe nice and fancy mntanami. So mangabe wena ungangidesignela ithinyana mina ngingakufundisa yabo.
Ungifundise?
Yeah, na ngimdala nje kade ngihamba thousands and thousands of business meetings. Ngiyazi thesha kanjani and futhi ke mina lo ngengawina i-Alex Businesswoman of the Year.
Ayibo, reg?
Hey, ungabe surprised baby girl. Phela mina ngirana ama-business akhe ayi-3 ngithi.
No, angisi surprised. Inkinga ukuthi bengazi, Mom Lucy, that's amazing. Hayibo, into kose ukuthi le si celebrate.
Well, uyi-artist. Angalinga siphazamise ke loyo ngoba siyathesha la.
Ngawari. Akusimuntu oqhathekile.
That's right.
Kamu. Solele. Kamu. Songixola uba uyisele yonke le nto. Kamu. No. Kamu. Kamu, ndicela uvuke torho, ndiyacela. Kamu. Katlego. Kamu. Ndiyacela babe, ndiyacela please. Katlego.
Why are you screaming like that?
Ndicela ubize i-ambulance torho, Katlego, ndiyacela.
What happened?
Usele whiskey nepilisi, ndiyacela ubize i-ambulance torho.
Is he breathing?
Andazi kancinci Katlego, andazi ndicela ubize torho.
I'm going.
Mom!
Come.
Lala,
Oh, thank goodness.
you came back.
Ndina babe, bambelela if ukhetha ubize i-ambulance.
Lala,
Yes, babe.
thank you.
Just take it, Mom.
Ra leboga borra. Ya leboga matiro a lona re tla le bona mo nakong e sa hediseng pelo. Gona man.
They didn't take him.
No, they have to wait for the chaplain. He's part of the investigative unit.
Investigators.
It is a suspicious death. Lulu, why did Kamogelo do this? Do you know?
Mom.
No, I have to go to see him.
No. Sorry. O ka se kgone go tshwanyana le setopo.
I'm telling you, I'm telling you.
Kapetswe.
No, I found my son. Maybe you don't hate me.
Kapetswe.
Yabona wena baby girl. Into yokuqala nje ebaleke kakhulu i-handshake nazo ke.
Handshake.
Yona phela uyi-artist sebe yabona and wena unezandla ezi-strong ukubona amadoda mawaqhawulana ya bheka ke mntanami labantu bakho lawo ehlangana nabo for the first time ungasabi yazi kumele kwenzeni babheke ngqo emehlweni bese ke ubahlaba ngane nge-strong handshake netso.
Mom Lucy, lapha ngiyofika ngibanikeze i-portfolio yami. Akubi ngathi ngiyokubawa isibawo sombereko.
Suka wena That's exactly what you're going to do mawufika laphana nje. Yazini. Yabona lana ngithanda lena kakhulu, yazi? Yeah. Le detail obuyenze la.
Yeah.
Hey. Ngithanda.
Akuyiwa, thanks.
Ay, babujokon. Yazi ukuthi uma une-inspiration akulaleki.
Hey, bantu besifazana bayindida.
Yazi nana, yabona leyo iphethe manje. Ngithanda yona yazi ngaze uthethise yona vele.
Yona le? Phezu kwayo.
Cha. Ya malala etafuleni.
Ya mana ngitafula ngelaleni. I mean angilalanga etafuleni.
Ya ma. Yaza ulala ngempela etafuleni. Izinhleke lezi.
Ngempela? Yazi manje sengine challenge phela baby wami yabona ukuthi kumele ngikhethe engiyithandayo ukudlula zonke. Buka la.
Ya. So angazi mama ninjani coffee?
Kusami.
Morning.
Yebo, baby. Hawu. No wena manje. Kuba yini?
Ngisulela la?
Wesebe already na?
Ya, ngiready. Kodwa ngithukathukiwe mara ingasikuthuka lokho kumbi okuhle. Ngiready.
Good.
Angibuke nje madoda. Uyazi ngihleli nosomabhizinisi ababili endlini yodwa. Ngokuthi incane nenkulu.
Hey pho wena uhlali lana.
Nginjani nje ukuthi ngivele ngishaya ngebreakfast yama winners ngithi nje bacon and eggs ngithi maqanda ngithini?
Okay, ngiyathokoza. Kodwa mina ngiwafuna amadzayi ne-bacon. Ungasebenzisa nakama sausage wami mama bacon. Wona plant-based kodwa ke ayazwakala njengenyama.
Kodwa noma sebe kahle bo. Phela ifake yama sausage le.
Mara kutsho wena.
Ay, lungeleka ngiyenze ne breakfast. Yama fake winners.
Yes. No, thank you. I'll get him to be in touch with you. Once again, thanks. Ke bako mucharing, but the chaplain has to call them the minute he gets here so that they can come and fetch him.
How long will that take?
I don't know. I hope it's quick. And letting that he knows how to keep his mouth shut.
What?
We can't afford to have this man answer Buakak. It's time to come up with a media strategy.
Trust you to worry about spinning some story.
People are gonna start asking questions, Katlego. If we don't give them answers, they'll make up stories.
Those pills he was taking were really strong. Did you know he was taking them?
After the Molois beat him up. And after he got shot, Ugqirha gave him a stronger prescription. Bendigon.
So maybe he miscalculated. A new prescription, maybe he didn't know how much he was taking. It could happen.
Wenze ngabo.
Try it. Uzoyithanda? Baba hlafunya. Uzoyijwayela. We?
Noma so. Ngathi uze transport elifaka ama-spice sausage. Yingakho ngathi unomduma khanda.
Okay, concentrate like Miss Moyo.
mawudlumbana vele ukuthi bazongibiza njalo bazothi Miss Moyo kimi. Sengisho ama-artist nabantu aba-inspire yi-art ababizani njalo man, they are too relaxed. But
Miss Moyo, what inspires you, my dear?
everything.
Suka yazi impendulo yombhedo leyo.
Mara iqiniso.
Oy kanjani? Awukwazi ukuthi inspire yonke into. For example, isihlahla or ifridge or le sausage yakho lengathi car box.
They do. They provide sustenance. Yazi mana ngingathoma ngithi ngiyapenda ngayo. Ngingapenda imlandelande.
Hayi wena. Hey, hayi, ugela ready.
Really?
Aus. Ubatshengisa namntwana ukuthi uzalwa ubani wena. Aus.
Wish me luck.
Hey, anda kule roof le. Akunabo wish me luck. Yabona iluck uyazenzela mntanami. Kuya kahle yeso. Sharp. Yazi ngicabanga ukuthi ngimele ngithi kuyobona lo muntu wami lo wama t-shirts. Phela manje yazi angazi ngifuna ngisize ukuthi ngikhethe kule nto ngoba nami angikwazi ukuthi iyiphi ngiyithanda kakhulu. Or maybe ngithi ukwenza more than one t-shirt abona abe maningi nyana siyo.
Angazi manu na umuntu wami wenhliziyo engathi ujaha kakhulu ufuna ukuthi ukwehlisa kancane.
Oyi, cha ngeke ngikhona phela. Ene uphutha khomdala beka right. Yabona makathi, yabona mouse slower down uyaboda. Yabo?
Hano le monyane. One ole machato. Ole mafulufulu. Oh, we couldn't keep up with you. We couldn't catch you. And then we had a solution. That really didn't work. And you would just bounce and bounce and bounce. And then used to call that the court dance. Come, please. Please don't do this to me, please. My boy, don't leave me.
Kaitik. Cabbage. Kikile Harley. Chaplain ile reo tshwanetse nga tse di nepe. Ne ke re ba re na go ela ba dire tiro ya bona.
Not leaving him. I'm not leaving him.
Oh, Cabbage. Areko.
No, I have to stay.
No, you don't have to.
No, I have to. I need to be here.
Cabbage.
I need to be here. He has to wake up.
Cabbage, please. Are samaye, Cabbage. Areko.
Ka lebitso la ntate le la morwa le la moya le la go a ke moya wa gae o robale ka kgotso.
Mom, stop it. Just stop it. Geez, just take a pill or something.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I can't believe I just said that. Forgive me. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
You know, this just does not make sense to me. I know Kamu could have been through a lot. Being kidnapped, getting shot. But when I go here, he was home. His mother was home. We were okay. He wanted to go to London, I know that.
I couldn't go with him and I broke up with him. So if there's anyone to blame,
was all my fault. I did this.
Awu mamaza. Linjani iqolo phela ukulala etafuleni kuyakhathaza iqolo.
Yena nkidla engayazi. Mara yazi baby ishawa yilapha yazi umuntu akhona ukuthi adla amathambo enyama. Hey wena.
Ulusi, ngiyathokoza.
Hayi ntombazana yami ungangitshela ukuthi yonke into ihambe right.
Konke kuhambe kuhle kwamambala. Ngibanikeze inthombe zami zengicishane kade ngizenza lokhu akade. Bazithandile cabanga?
Bengeke bahlale bangayithanda bengeke.
Lalela kusikho lokho kuphela. Federike sebafuna ukuthi ngibe nendima eChewini. Futhi ke ngizoba sigwala isikhasako emkhangisweni.
Ntombazana yami.
Ngoba baba ngeze kwakuhle lokho njalo.
Yabona wena nomthatha ukuthi ngiphethe ushampo khoshipe nyana laphana. Mntanami stika no Mamelosi, you'll go places ngikutshele ke. Yazi nathi sathina ukucelebrate man yazi.
Awukahle mama umbambe kuseni kangaka.
Hayibo we baby. Iklasi lodwa nje lombamba nje ngeke lilimaze umuntu moso.
It's so exciting ukuthi wakona. Mara kuyathusa. Angazi ukuthi ngizoba nikelani.
Oh yubona lo mntana mina ungathatha sasithombe sika baba sihle phela sowangenzela sona.
Angicabanga ukuthi ngikho lokho abakufunako.
Sithombe sesihle kanje bangasabani ngaso.
Yazi baby girl, asizame ukutheshisa lama design ongenzele wona for i-Women's Day event yami ngithola.
Yini?
No, phela. Nkosi yami. Angisho belithi ngitshela ngalama idea ngosho leshaweni. Angifuni wena yazi ma t-shirts kuphela. Into engiyifunayo yazi ngifuna like yonke into Grand Shop yabona sobugawulo, ma drinks, ngithi ukumema nama guests abaya yangithola.
Sithando sama you sure ukuthi
Hayi kwayebo baby man how it's not too much Nkosi yami. Yabona please mina ama plan and mina ngiyawa follow through ngithi ngithola mos. Okay nazo ke 2 more
To the next step.
Oh, to the next step, baby girl. Oh, ish.
Oh, yes. What's wrong, Mama?
Ish, oncologist, my physical test, I'm up on my clear.
Into ehle musileyo ngisho.
Sengicela chemo next week.
Ke ala bogabanna a ke re tla boela monna chaplain. Gone man, ke tla tsamaya sentle. Okay, so the chaplain has pronounced them dead. He's going to hand off the case to the investigators.
Maponesa, Obani.
To determine suicide as the official cause of death. Ke process ela ya go raba stampa dio. Tshwanetse ba dire yana.
Haike, looks like everything is done. Man Bentley.
No. Wait. You should be with family. You shouldn't be alone right now.
And your family.